time since I've seen the light. I didn't realize it could be so bright. But something happened and it opened my eyes inside. Now that you're with me, I don't have to hide. With strength and courage, we can touch the sky. If we're together, together we'll thrive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Just like the stars in the sky, never alone and always bright. We'll never ever forget to shine, because we've got each other this time. Just like the stars in the sky, never alone and always bright. We'll never ever forget to shine, because we've got each other this time.
The two-faced bird.
We need to get rid of them. What should we do?
Piece of cake. Watch this.
Where's the feather plucker?
Ah, we're almost there. Get ready. Let's use this cliff and rock their world.
Huh? Ah.
Careful.
He's crumbling down!
Too scary.
Get out of here!
Hey, why are you two howling? Take us to the bird.
Okay, okay.
This place looks dangerous.
But it's the only way to get there.
Get ready.
Huh?
Today is not our lucky day.
Not at all. Huh? Howling Valley? I'm scared.
Yeah, it's time to toughen up. This is the only way. Be strong. Soon we'll be rid of them all.
Scary.
Why are you howling again? Let's go.
Okay.
Wait, are those nettles?
Catch up.
Hey, wait!
The bird is ahead.
This time they'll be scared for sure.
Wait! The grass is toxic. Go slowly.
Oh, it hurts so much.
This is the worst day ever.
Listen up. Why are we going the dangerous way?
Because it's the only way we know to get there.
Stop beating around the bush. Take us there, or I'll be angry.
Well, we're almost there.
Stings.
Why did you stop?
It's way too dangerous for us.
You want to play more tricks on me, huh? Where's the mean bird?
Somewhere over, you know, right?
Huh? I forgot.
Oh, you forgot? What a coincidence. I did too.
Are you travelers lost? You must tread carefully in these parts.
He certainly looks like the plucker.
The feather plucker has green feathers. That can't be him.
You should go back. None of you will last long out here.
We're looking for a strange green bird that likes to steal feathers. Have you seen him?
This bird. Why do you want him?
You know why.
I saw him. He tried to attack me. I was lucky. I escaped.
He got you too. That monster brought chaos to the birds by the lake. We need to find out why it did that.
Danger lurks in the shadow of the forest. Are you not afraid?
No, we must catch him.
The monster is deep in the forest. I will guide you there.
That's great.
Great.
Now that you've got a professional guide, we can go home, right?
Hey, wait! They sure are quick. Why does he have to fly so fast? I need a break.
You're all too slow on foot. I will scout the way ahead. Stay here. I'll return shortly.
I wish he'd slow down a bit.
That bird just now. Who is he? I don't remember there being more animals in the forbidden area.
How should I know?
Huh? Did you hear that?
It sounded like the two jackals. Huh? It's the plucker. Come on.
Wait, Vic.
Huh?
We need to go back. Those jackals could be hurt.
The bird is here now. Hurry up and get him.
But, we just heard the jackals scream in the distance.
Oh? Maybe they're in danger. You better go check on them.
But the monster just appeared. We have
Quiet. How about we split up?
How about we split up in two? Briar and Bramble find the jackals. Vic and I will look for the bird. All right?
No can do. It's dangerous for you two alone.
But if those two jackals are plotting, you or Bramble can't handle them alone.
Well,
We need to pursue right away.
We'll leave a clear trail and go slow. You'll catch up quickly.
all right. Be careful.
Carly, over here.
Is that the monster? Let's go see.
I'm sorry. False alarm. What is this stuff?
Vic, don't move. Careful, you'll sink faster.
You'll never catch me now, fools!
You're so evil. How could you do this?
Now for those two bears. Then all my problems will be solved.
No!
I don't see them anywhere.
This doesn't make any sense at all. Where could they have gone to?
Well, what do you think, bro?
I think the old bird might have been lying. Could this be a trap?
A trap?
Hey, wait! Which way should we go?
Huh? Hey, Briar, look!
An arrow? Carly must have left it. This way. It's Carly and Vic.
I can't really see.
Come on, let's go look.
Who's there?
Huh?
Bramble? Briar?
Hey, Vic! Carly!
Stay back!
There's quicksand!
Quicksand! Whoa! Stay back.
That was close.
You guys,
Hold tight, Carly.
I'll come get you.
You came here so quickly. What do you think of my cunning trap? Feeling stuck? Don't worry. The jackals are my friends. They'll be all right. You big mean old bird!
Bramble, calm down. Save them first.
If only we had a short bridge or something.
Bridge. Bramble, follow me. Whoa!
Be careful!
He's not sinking.
Oh, I know. The bark floats on top of the quicksand. It doesn't sink easily. Briar's so smart.
My bro is
Bucker,
awesome!
you don't stand a chance. He's gone?
Let's see how long you last.
I'll save you guys!
Ram, watch out for the bird.
I will!
Bro, be careful. Nice
Nice
block.
block.
That's it. Hit him. Fight,
Keep
fight.
going!
Keep going.
You're doing it! Huh? I'm sinking. Oh, I'm far too handsome to die. Oh. Wait, what have I got in here? I know what to do.
Huh?
Looks like you're all bark and no bite. Try and stop me now.
I'll save my friends. You mean birdie?
Ah!
You ever seen a firecracker?
Ah! Ah!
Well, that worked out rather well.
Yeah, we did it! You can't stop us!
The weapon is strong. Let's just wait and see.
Well, that sure was a really long day.
Yeah, where's the other bird?
It took us to the plucker, and then it disappeared. Maybe he's on the same side as the monster.
We'll know soon enough. Let's catch the plucker.
Maybe we should just go back home. It's dangerous. What if we get in trouble again?
No way. What if he steals more feathers?
Don't worry. I'll be there to protect you.
Bramble, listen. Why is he stealing feathers? What's his purpose? We don't know any of this. What should we tell Dajun and those birds who got bullied?
That's true.
Bramble, be brave.
But we need to be more careful.
Come on. It's this way.
All right.
Carly, catch! Let's go.
Just the feel of the wind and the warmth of the sun. They are part of me and they will always be. Now wherever I go, and no matter how far, all the woods, the sea, and the mountains are my home. Seasons change, we'll stay together. Sun and rain and stormy weather too. There's nothing we can do. Life is one great big adventure. Grab your pack, let's head for the unknown. What a joy to explore. Just the feel of the wind, the warmth of the sun. They are part of me and they will always be. Now wherever I go, no matter how far, all the woods, the sea, and the mountains are my home. All the woods, the sea, and the mountains are my home.